Hello everyone, welcome to My Nutrition Foods. I'm Sonia and I'm really happy to have you here with me today. So thank you for joining. So I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipes. It's a smoothie recipe, greens for smoothies, and it's just so nutritious. When I was growing up, my diet wasn't really very good at all. I thought it was, but it wasn't. And I've just had a real passion over the years for learning more about nutrition, the world of nutrition, and I would love to share all this information with you so I can help you to make nutritious food for yourself and your family. So without further ado, let's dive in. So this is a smoothie with greens. So I have some spinach here, just a handful of spinach. You can also use kale, both works. One banana, which just adds to the creaminess of the smoothie. Half a cup of pineapple. This just gives it that refreshing sweetness. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And chia seeds are just packed full of fiber and omega-3s, so good for you. And then just to blend it all together, I have 1 cup of almond milk. Any plant-based milk will do. They all work really well. Soy milk, oat milk, I use them too. They're all really good. So let's blend away. So it took about a minute to blend it all up. And here we have one healthy, delicious, nutritious smoothie. Thank you so much for sharing. I hope you're able to make a comment below on how the smoothie went for you. And let me know how you incorporate greens into your smoothies. Next week, I'll be back with more smoothie fun. So I would be really grateful if you would join me then. In the meantime, be happy and healthy.